Greetings, everyone. Have you ever thought about streamlining your arduous processes in terms of cooking dishes, especially African dishes? Have you ever thought of that and ways to achieve that? Well, I bring you goat peanut butter soup today, and the process is going to be streamlined. I'm using processes, ingredients that I've shared with you on this channel beforehand. Let's begin. I have my goat meat with the bone in and the skin on. And first ingredient is our green chili sauce. Yes, we're going to use that to season our meat. We also have tomato stew. And then, of course, we have the star ingredient, which is the peanut butter. Then I have some chopped onions, bay leaf, and some fresh ginger. To season our meat and the soup, we need our salt, and of course, you're in the Nanaba's kitchen, so crushed black pepper joins the pot as well. Let's season the meat generously with some salt to begin with. Almost all the salt you're going to be needing to season your soup must go in onto the meat right now. Then follow up with the chopped onions. Finally, chop your onions and add it. Then goes in the green chili sauce, which comprises parsley, garlic, onion, ginger, all blend into a paste and cooked with some other ingredients. And so in the absence of that, you can use the ingredients I've mentioned. Make sure your meat is well coated and add a little bit of water because we're cooking goats and goat needs moisture to tenderize. Then go in with your tomato stew. Now, I've shared several recipes of how to make tomato stew here on this channel, so you can check it out. I also threw in 2 dry bay leaves, and now I'm going to set it on the stove on medium heat and begin cooking. So at this moment, we have about 85 to 90% of all the ingredients already in the pot, with the exception of the peanut butter, which we're prepping now, adding some water, some lukewarm water, and we're going to dissolve it in the water. Then the amount of water you add at this moment really depends on the volume, the ultimate amount of volume you want your soup to have in the end, and also the thickness of it. Of course, you can always add some more water later on. 15 minutes into the cooking of the meat, you want to go and stir it. So combine all of the ingredients in there thoroughly. All right, so really the tomato paste now is combined with the meat. Now you're going to continue cooking with the lid on. You want to use a heavy pan for this. A cast iron pan or multi-ply stainless steel will be perfect for this. Apply the lid and continue cooking for an extra 15 minutes. Then go in with your peanut butter that you've turned into a light sauce. So add that. And as I added it, I noticed that there was residue, which was some of the peanuts that did not blend smoothly. So I strained it because that was a good idea. And I added some more water to it too. Now the soup is going to continue cooking on medium-low heat for 30 to 45 minutes until it's completely cooked. And so adding water now is a good idea because it's going to reduce while it cooks. And so you want to think of, again, the consistency of your soup, the thickness of it, and the volume you're intending to have ultimately. Now, 30 minutes into the cooking, after adding the peanut butter, I go in with my ground ginger to freshen the soup up. So think of it. We used under 10 ingredients total to cook this peanut butter soup, and it took no time for it to be done. Of course, final move, we add some fresh chilies, keep them whole so that when you serve your food and you want heat, you burst one into your serving and you're good to go. We're serving it today with kokunte, lapewa, face the wall, abetie. How do you call the swallow? Please leave me a comment. If you have formulated a nickname for it, I'd like to know. So kindly share it with us. Now the lapewa is going down. I have some okra and some chilies cooked on the side. We're going to add that. I'm making a quick tea with some lemon, ginger, some flower petals. Yes, they make tea beautiful. Now we're going in with some hot water to begin steeping the tea. And then I also added 1 fresh sprig of rosemary. Yeah, so this tea is going to help me to feel better because it's packed full of antioxidants, antibacterial, antifungal, antiviral ingredients, all natural remedies. So yeah, it's going to help me feel better as I was feeling under the weather today. I hope to share with you in a separate video how I really put this tea together, talk more about the ingredients and what they do for you. So if you're interested, please leave a comment below. And so it's going down. Yes, this was really good. It was really good, and it was quick to put together, and that's really what I love about this whole recipe. And so I hope that you have gained some inspiration here. Your green chili sauce, flavor building ingredient, and your tomato stew, you can use it to make soup. Yes, indeed. Can definitely be used as a soup base too. Not always for making stews, definitely for soups as well. I hope that inspired you. Please leave a comment. Please like the video. Also share so others can benefit from the video. Thanks so much for watching. Make it a great day and have fun, especially in that kitchen.